A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Orange, with people being told to prepare for large hailstones, damaging winds, and heavy rainfall that could lead to flash flooding. The Bureau of Meteorology issued the severe thunderstorm warning for the area over the next several hours. The NSWSES Orange City unit is advising people to move your car under cover or away from trees, secure or put away loose items around homes, yards and balconies. People should also keep at least 8 meters away from fallen power lines or objects that may be energized, such as fences, and report fallen power lines to either Osgrid on 131,388, Endeavour Energy on 131,003, or Essential Energy on 132,080. Keep clear of creeks and storm drains, don't walk, ride your bike, or drive through flood water. Anyone trapped by flash flooding should seek refuge in the highest available place and ring 000 if you need rescue. Unplug computers and appliances, avoid using the phone during the storm. Stay indoors away from windows, and keep children and pets indoors as well. For emergency help in floods and storms, ring the SES on 132,500.